I got to ask this question earlier. And that is, if someone sends you a message, can they delete the message that you have received? And I'm going to show you why that can't happen. And I'm going to show you what else could happen to make a message disappear. So first of all, if I go send a message, I'm going to send a message to Teddy Burris at Burris Consulting. I'm going to do testing the pause. So that's really what I'm going to show you. And I'm going to hit send. Now look down here, message sent. I have the ability to hit undo. And when I hit undo, the message comes back. And so now I can go, oops, I forgot to say what I wanted to say. And I can hit send again. Now look, I had the ability to undo again, but if I don't hit undo in the amount of time that I have set up in my settings, then what's going to happen is the message has been sent. It's gone. I cannot recall that message back. I can view the message. There it is. I can delete it on my side, but there is no functionality for me to recall this message at all. If I go look at Teddy Burris's account, there's that email that he sent me right there. So there's no way once I have received it for the user to recall it. Now, by the way, this is Gmail and Google Workspace through Chrome. Now, so how can a message disappear? I mean, Teddy sent me this message. He can't recall it. He sent this message from burrisconsulting.com. Where is it? If I hover over that, sent it from Score Volunteer. He can't recover that message. How can it disappear? Well, I can do a couple things. One is I can archive it, and then if I go look at my inbox, it's not here anymore. And the reason it's not here is it's been archived. Archived means it's in all mail, which, by the way, everything is in all mail. But when you archive it, you take it out of the inbox. Right here, archive. Oh, I hit the wrong one. Archived, all mail, There's a message. Oops, I forgot to show it. And I can mark that unread, and there it is right there, and I can put it back if I want to. Where is it? Under all mail, I can select that, and I can put it back into the inbox. And now it's back in the inbox. But again, I originally archived it. Now I could delete it. So I can delete it. Now where did it go? It's no longer an inbox, and the reason why it's not an inbox is I moved it to trash. And so there it is right there in trash, testing the pause, it's waiting. Again, I can take it right now and I can put it back into the inbox if I want to. However, once it's in here, if I empty all of the trash, right here, empty trash, or if I select that message and hit delete forever, that is exactly what's going to happen. That message is totally gone. It is never recoverable. There's no option once you click delete forever for me to get that message back. Now, there's another opportunity of what may have happened. What may have happened is you selected that message and you marked it as spam. Now, if you mark it as spam, it is not in your inbox. It is not in all mail. So there's the message right there sitting in my spam filter waiting for me to do something with it. If I do nothing with it, in 30 days it will automatically be deleted. By the way, it's the same thing with your trash. However, I could delete all spam messages and it will go away permanently, or I could select that message and say delete forever and it will go away forever. Again, once someone sends you a message and it has left their draft in Gmail and showed up in your inbox, there is no way for them to recover or delete that email that you have received. The possibilities are that you archive the messages, which means it's in all mail but not in your inbox, or you marked it as spam and so it's in your spam folder, or deleted permanently from spam. The third option is you deleted it and then you went and you deleted it forever, or you emptied your trash. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I hope these ideas are helpful for you.